Hey friends, so welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. Now here on my screen I'm in Canva, and in order to utilize, or let's say to remove background, I'm going to add an image here. So let me go to photos here, and let's take this picture here as an example. So it's a picture on the beach, and you can see the leaves and the palm tree here, and yeah, the background is the sea and the sky. Now, I want to mention, in order to utilize the power of Canva BG remover or background remover, you need to have Canva Pro. And if you look towards the upper side of this image, you can see some features and you see the BG remover. If you look towards the right of this button here, you see a crown. It simply means that it requires Canva Pro to be able to utilize this feature. And the good thing is that you can easily use Canva Pro for free for 30 days, absolutely free. So if you're new to Canva, you create an account, you can easily sign in with your Gmail as well, and you can utilize it by signing up for Canva Pro. Once you sign it, you will have the option to register or to activate Canva Pro for 30 days. It's absolutely free. And so for 30 days, you won't be charged. After that, you'll have to pay for the Canva Pro. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a free alternative. So let's say you're not able to purchase Canva Pro fully after this free trial is over, then I'm going to show you a free website that you can go ahead and you can use. But the purpose of this video is to utilize this Canva Pro BG remover to remove backgrounds from your images, and also you can do it for videos as well. So once you have your picture on your canvas here, you want to click to the BG remover here button at the top. Another way is to simply click on edit, and you'll have the Magic Studio on the upper left hand side. You can simply click BG remover and you will see that it removes the background. Now this picture is not the ideal one, so I will go ahead and find another picture that I can use that will give me a much better result. Let's take this one as an example here. And as you can see, immediately it removes the background. Now keep in mind, it also works if you apply the BG remover effects or the BG remover tool to a particular image and you want to replace that image, it will also apply it to the picture as well. So as you can see here, I remove the BG remover, and if I drag another picture onto this, it will also do the same. So let's take this one here. If I drag this here, you will see it's going to remove the background as well. So it doesn't matter which picture I drag. If I apply the BG remover option in that, it's going to try to remove the background from all of those images. So that's it, guys. If you're looking for a way how to use the BG remover in Canva, this is how you can use the background remover to remove backgrounds from your pictures. You can also do it for videos as well. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, if you find some value here in this video, I would really appreciate if you give this video a like, guys, and let me know in the comments below. And right now I'm going to show you a free tool that you can utilize to remove backgrounds from your pictures and your videos as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and, let's say, remove this from the picture, and I'm going to download this picture here. So let me choose this picture here, and I'm going to go to share, and I'm going to click on download, and yeah, let's download this image here. Now once this image is downloaded, in the meantime, I am going to open up a new window here and go to my browser and simply type in BG remover. Right, once you type in BG remover, you'll find the website here, remover.bg. If you head over to this website here, you can simply drag your image. So as you can see, I have my image here. I'm going to move this and I'm going to drag this image here onto this website, and it's going to do the magic just the same. It's going to remove the background, as you can see there, and I can download the image, and here you can see on my computer I have this image here with the BG removed. Let me show you. And here you can see the picture with the background removed, and here's the second picture with the background. So guys, that's it, guys. If you're looking for a way how to remove backgrounds in Canva, you can utilize the BG remover to remove backgrounds of those images with the BG remover, utilizing the power of those features in Canva Pro. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for your time to watch this video. Really appreciate that you take the time to watch. Give this video a like if you found value, and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. And if you'd like to learn more about Canva, check out the playlist towards the end of this video so that you can learn much more about how to use Canva.